In this video, I will show you how to edit your sent message in WhatsApp. First, launch open WhatsApp on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now open up any conversation. Now go ahead and send in a message. If you need to edit the message, keep in mind that WhatsApp only lets you edit a message within 15 minutes after sending it. After that time, the edit option will no longer be available. If it has been less than 15 minutes, then press and hold on the message that you want to change. Then tap on these three dots. Here find the option of edit and tap on it. Now go ahead and edit your message. After that, tap on this tick mark icon, and as you can see, your message has been edited. However, it's going to get the edited label underneath it, letting everyone in the chat know that the message was modified. If you don't see the edit option, make sure you're trying to edit your own message and it's been less than 15 minutes since you sent it. And your WhatsApp also needs to be updated to latest version. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.